Welcome back. Today I'm going to continue with the part 2 with the Pixel Lab introduction, and I hope you remember the various tools that I explained to you with the first part. And the other day we used a portrait interface, that is a portrait. I recorded everything in portrait, and this time around it's in a landscape. So don't forget where the tools are right now. The tools are just right here. We have the tools here. The tools, the main tools are here, and we have the other ones are also on top here. As quickly, we are going to move forward straight to business today. Okay, so I'll just first insert a shape. Okay, let me change the color towards black. Any other? Yeah, black will do. Black. Then the check mark. But what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to teach you how to use a shape to cut the other shape, okay, with the Pixel Lab, so that everything that we are going to do here, if you want a particular shape, you just use a shape to cut the other. I hope you are getting it. Okay, so madam. Okay, so this particular shape, I'm going to I just need some shape. Let's say I just want to create a hole in the middle. So how should I do? Let me position this one in the center by using this relative position keys or navigation. So click the center, align, then the check mark. Okay, then make a copy of this same shape. Okay, now when you make a copy, you reduce the copy small, you change the color. So let's take white. Okay, the color to white. Okay, after getting it like this, so I want to create a shape. Okay, I want to cut the middle part of the first square by using another shape to cut it. I hope you are following, right? Okay, so after getting it this way, now you click on this mark on top here. Okay, you click on it to open the various layers that you have just. So this is the first layer, this is the first layer, and this one is the second layer, right? Okay, so after getting it like this, then you click on this mark here. Okay, so to open, for you to be able to select the various layers that we have inserted or we have imported right now. Okay, so you click on, because we are merging these two, you click, and after then you click on the middle two, the middle one, to help you to merge them. So when you click, it will pop up that, are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Of course, yes, thank you. Now after gotten it like this, then you click the same arrow that help you to open the layers back. Now what you have to do is that you look for erase color. You search through and look for erase color. So you have this is the erase color. This is the erase color. Then erase color. Then you click on enable. Pam. That is it. You have been able to cut the middle. Let's see. Can you see now? So this is how we used to create any things, get shapes, or cut some part of objects that you think that you are not okay with. I hope you are following. Okay, so getting it this way, you can be able to enlarge it. But let me show you something. After getting it this way, if you want to add texture, unless you merge any shape, but let me click on where we get the layers, and let me show you something. Okay, so look through this. when you look at this, you can see that still the white is inside, right? So what you have to do is that you have to insert another shape. Now this time reduce the opacity of that shape and reduce it to the tiny little size. Okay, that is it. Then you click on the check mark. Okay, now you merge this particular shape that you just with the old one, so that it can help you to, when you add a texture, no effects, your texture will show. If not, it will still cover there where you merge, it will still be there. Okay, now you can see that behind the shape you have gotten the real shape. There's nothing what behind, or there's no white showing again. I hope you get it now. Good. Okay, so let me change the background of the so changing the background, then you have to use what, these two, this last two, this you have to use this last two. I hope you're okay. So then click on the color. You can do or try and get the colors by how I show you the other. I hope you have not forgotten it, right? Okay, good. So this is what we have now. So we are trying to get a nice background by merging some designs together. I'm just trying to get, that is not what I want. Okay, back to the shape, and let me change the color. Now I'm trying to create a background, a nice background, which will look nice. So when you are designing, getting a background is the main thing. Okay, when you get a background, it will make your work neat, and any person that will set the eye. So this one I'm coming to reduce the opacity small. Okay, you see that what I've done, the opacity, yes, and make a copy of this one. Change the color. I'm trying to get a nice colors or any shapes. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing, right? Good. Okay, so let's take it for instance. This is what we get. Okay, so now after getting it like this, then we try, let's import another shape. Now you are going to use your picture. Okay, but this time what you are going to do is that you are going to use a picture in as a texture for the shape that we have just imported. So after clicking on the check mark like this, then you search for texture, right? This is texture button. Okay, and texture. Now you have no texture, then you have to upload it from your gallery. I hope you get it now. So from your gallery, so you get it like this. Then okay, so when you get it like this is not how we want it. Okay, so you come back to the texture and you click on enable. When you click on the enable, it will help you to get the correct thing that what it will stretch to the extent that everything will cover the face correctly. I hope you are getting it now. The next video I'll teach you how to either you not use it as a texture, but you use it some other thing. Okay, I hope you are following. Good. And you get it like this, then you click on the check mark. Good. Then beautiful. That is it. Then what? You just write your text by clicking on the A. Then you just write what you want. So this is what I want to write. Oh. Okay, the keys, when you just tap, it will come and okay, so this is CPK. This is CPK. Kindly subscribe. Okay, so this is what I want to write. Then you can change the color, center align it, okay, and center it, but by looking for it, align, so center align. Good. First let me change the color so that you see it. Red will do, but I'll show you something. Look at the color, click on the color back again. Now when you scroll down, you can see that you can differently would give any text any color you want by highlighting or by selecting the text, and you change that particular color. You first have to give the default color for all, then you just change what you want to pop it out. I hope you are seeing it now. And let me yo bro. So after getting it like this, then let me change the color of the YouTube. And then you see the YouTube also to white. Still maintain the red as it is. Okay, so now I change the font, and the font, or I'll teach you how to install font into your Pixel Lab. Okay, reduce the size. Can also reduce the size by using this button. Okay, I hope you are following. So at least you can be able to use this method. You see that I've gotten now, I've taught you how to do it, get a nice background. Okay, so the background I just work on by using remember you click on the gradient, then you click on the plus, the plus, and for instance over here you can direct where you want the color. you see that my own, I just pick gold and white. So where the white is depend on what I select here. Okay, and the color, when I click on this, and I can be able to change the color here. I hope you are getting it. Or when I click on this, I can be able to change the color here. When I click on this, I can be able to change the color here. So just look at what I want to change this bar. I want to change it. Look at where the white is now showing. Look at where the white is now showing. You see. So it depending on what you want to do. Okay. And okay, if I want to change this one, then I'll just click and send it this way. I'll get something like this. It's 3 colors that are just blend together. Okay, so I've teach you now how to select a color or work on your background. The background is the main thing. Okay, I hope you're getting it. The background is the main thing. So thank you very much. And hey, we are not done. Let's save our work. Okay, let's save it, save as image. Good. Then always select what the dimension, select what ultra. Good student, ultra. After selecting the ultra, you save to gallery. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and hey, turn on the notification button to stay tuned to latest updates. Next one, don't forget, I'll teach you how to install PixelLab, install fonts, different type of fonts into your PixelLab, and also I'll teach you how to remove the background using the PixelLab. Thank you very much.
Jah give me power, make a shell bad mind. Me nah do them nothing but them all parasites.